Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can check out which photos in your Google Photos account are actually backed up. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on a Google Help community post, and this person is asking to know how they can check which photos are backed up. And this person has answered, and it is very simple. All you have to do is search for a checked cloud icon, and that is a sort of indicator that your photos have been backed up. Now, photos that do not have this are not backed up to your account, and they are just there for some reason. And that is pretty much it. You just need to search for that checked cloud icon, and that is a marker that the photos have been backed up. Now you can review your backup settings. If something is going wrong, you can just open up Google Photos and just go into your account profile photo or initial and go into photo settings, then tap backup, and then you can check your backup settings, such as your backup, if it's turned on or not, the account it's backing up to, which might be the problem. It might be backing up to a different account, the backup device folders, and when to back up. You need to check all of these so that you can figure out what's going wrong if you don't see your backed up images. And if you're on iOS, you need to be within the app while it's backing up items so that you make sure that everything is backed up. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.